This townhome in Bay Landing sounds absolutely wonderful. With its open floor concept, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and enclosed lanai, it offers a luxurious living experience. The convenience of having all bedrooms and laundry on the second floor is definitely A+. Its location near I-75, Fruitville Road, and Lakewood Ranch Blvd makes it easily accessible, and being close to Waterside adds even more appeal with its entertainment, restaurants, and stores.For anyone interested in experiencing the comfort and convenience this townhome has to offer. The addition of community amenities such as a fitness center, pool, dog park and playground further enhances the appeal of this townhome in Bay Landing. These amenities provide residents with opportunities for recreation, exercise, and relaxation right within the community, adding to the overall quality of life. Scheduling an appointment to view it would be a great idea. Anticipated to be available the first week of April, so don't hesitate to call and secure your appointment today. Photos show furnishing for advertising only. Tenant is responsible for a $75 broker fee. Available for move in April 1, 2025.